What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang775 back with another video. Today I'll be doing my review on the Skullcandy Riff wireless on the ear headphones. Not over the ear, on the ear, okay? These sport a smaller pad and it sits on top of your ear, hence the difference between over the ear, over where it covers, encapsulates your entire ear. But first off, I did spend at least a week and a half with this pair of on-the-ear headphones, 2 to 3 hours a day. Now I did run out of battery midway. I listened to this headset about 2 to 3 hours a day for about a week and a half. I say around the 4th day. And then again, it was not, I did fully charge it. It was, it takes about 2 hours, hour and a half to charge, something like that. But it does support quick charge, like say if you're out of battery, it does charge. In 10 minutes of time, it charges 2 hours of playtime, so that's not bad. Now keep in mind, that's like 50-40% volume, not at full blast. Full blast, you're looking maybe 45 minutes to an hour, okay? But I got about 8 hours of use, 7-8 hours on full volume, mind you. Now if I say if I 50%, I probably could have hit that 10-hour range. But since, you know, I like to listen to everything full blast, hence why I'm going deaf, this headset is decent for the price range, okay? $50, $49.99, okay? And this is Skullcandy. Now, the battery wise, it's okay. 10 hours, that's standard. But let's talk about the build quality next. Okay, build quality, nothing special here. Okay, nothing special here except the softness of the ear pad. But I'm gonna get to that. This is completely plastic through and through. Okay, the headband is plastic. The inside part of the headband is plastic. The casing that's holding the headband is plastic. The hinges are plastic. Okay, you drop this headset and this breaks, it's on you. Okay, even if it's by accident, if you drop it and it breaks, it's on you. You can't blame the headphone maker for concentrating on the sound instead of the build quality. Now I know that's gonna irk some people, but you pay for what you get, 50 bucks, okay? Don't expect something premium and super built tough, even though there are some headphones and headsets that have really good build qualities, okay? That come in this $50 price range, especially some over-the-ear headphones when they go on sale, okay? There's a bunch of them, but Skullcandy, this is more of like a, I guess, a fashion type headphones. And again, the little Skullcandy logo on the side. The top is just the main band here, and the buttons are fairly simple, all on the right ear cup. You got your volume up, volume down, power on, power off, pairing button, you know, long press. You turn it on, you hold it down for 2 seconds, turns on, you hold it down longer. Like when you turn it on, like 5 to 8 seconds, that's you enter pairing mode. Now, long press forward, volume, long press volume down to skip forward and skip back. So, fairly standard, easy 3-button setup, much better than those Bluetooth T6s, okay, where the touch thing and the voice control don't even work. But the ear pads, okay, that's the one shining part of the build quality, okay, kind of, okay, it's a double-edged sword. You see this? You see these little dots in here? Okay, these are perforated ear pads, but the thing is, the cushion is nice and soft. I could wear this for like hours on end without stopping because you don't even feel them. They sit on your head. They're so light. They don't squeeze your head like my Solo Beats, man. My Solo Beats too, man. After an hour, I'm done with that. Okay, let me go ahead and put this on. Oh, I gotta look at the thing. You see, it just sits on your head. Now, it does move around unless you make it tight. Okay, so if you were running, these will be fine. But if you use these for working out, they might. You see what I'm saying? They might fall off your head. Now, like I said, again, I went off the subject. Talking about the ear pads, you see these holes in them? Okay, be careful. Like if you stick this in your backpack or something, and you say maybe you got your keys or something sharp, they could easily get caught in one of these holes and tear this thing off. So, these holes, I don't know why they're there. I think it's an acoustic / design choice. I have no idea. It's just, I guess it's there to, I don't know. I don't know why. You folks want to tell me why they did this to the headset, the pads? Let me know down in the comments below, alright? But it is comfortable, okay? The build quality is meh, okay? $50, you pay for what you get, okay? Now I'm going to talk about the sound quality. Sound quality is, I think, what sets this headset apart from many other on-the-ear headphones, okay? Especially some expensive ones. Like the sound quality, the volume on this thing comes very close to my Beat Solo 2. Now, if my Beat Solo 2 is hooked up to a DAC, yeah, then those things are much louder. But these got a decent volume for on-the-ear headphones. Okay, and the low end is nice. Okay, you can chuck this volume up full blast, and the bass will not distort. The low end will not distort. It's got a nice semi-clean, not muddy. Okay, mostly clean bass. Okay, some parts are muddy. Okay, the mids, they're okay. They're so-so. All right, I dare say it's a little recessed, just a little. Okay, the mids, but the highs, they're nice and clean. Okay, and they're not like I guess the sound profile is like a flat or warmish. I get warm or colder. I think it's like a flat profile. That's what it sounds like to me. Now I could be wrong. Okay, like I said, thing about headphones, audio music, people hear different things. Okay, and I just don't know all the proper terminology. I'm going off the top of my head here, but for the most part, the sound quality is very good for this headset. Okay, let me play you a sample song real quick. Let's see. Let's go ahead, use my usual. Okay, I get a full blast. That's some vocals. I mean, price per performance, okay? $50. Sound quality is all that matters to me for the most part. Build quality comes second. So sound quality, say if I rate this thing, 1 being absolute garbage, 5 being the best thing ever since the day I was born. Okay, sound quality gets a 4 out of 5, considering price per performance now. Okay, now if this was like $100, that would be like a 3 or say 2.5 out of 5. Okay, now build quality, it's a so-so. Okay, I mean it's less than so-so. The only redeeming quality are these ear cups. Okay, so it's a 3 out of 5 for me. Okay, and maybe even 2.5 out of 5. But these ear cups, they're nice and comfortable. But everything else is just meh. All right. I do like the design though. I like this little skull here. Kind of reminds me of one of my favorite games, State of Decay 2. I always say that. And like I said, you see, build quality, so you average it out, probably a 4 out of 5. Okay, 3 mediocre build quality with decent, 3.5 out of 5 with decent sound quality. Okay, so 3.5 out of 5. That's my final score. Skullcandy Riff Wireless. Really good on the ear pair of cans. Now, I can tell you right off the bat that these do not compare. Well, these come close in the sound quality to my Blue Ant Pump Soles, but the Blue Ant Pump Soles are still the king at that $56 range on the ear headphones. For on the ear headphones, that is my best on the ear headphones so far. Too bad they don't sell them anymore. They discontinued them. Now, if you do find them, they're bloody expensive. Okay, but yeah, what do you folks think of my Skullcandy Wireless Riff Wireless on the ear headset review? Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I do appreciate the criticism. If you folks like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the little notification bell for videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, again, leave a comment down below. Let me know in the comments. I do appreciate any type of criticism. It's Guddang775, just the Maui boy in Texas, aka Sully. Peace out.